Tired of a wet basement every time it rains? So was a homeowner in Port Reading, New Jersey. Water was creeping in around her foundation, raising concerns about long-term damage. That's when they called Blue Umbrella Waterproofing. Our local team of experts installed a 122-foot full perimeter French drain system to capture and redirect intruding water. We added 2 sump basins, each with a combo pump system and battery backup to keep the system running, even during power outages. To improve air quality and prevent mold growth, we installed a high-performance AprilAire dehumidifier for consistent humidity control. Then we fully encapsulated the entire basement with a vapor barrier, sealing out moisture from both walls and floors. The result? A dry, clean, and fully protected basement, ready for any weather. If you're dealing with basement water, crawl space problems, or foundation issues, give us a call. Don't get blue, get Blue Umbrella.